Yeah, so, let your subconscious mind be your guiding force, decisions making. You follow these steps by step, you can tap into your inner wisdom and intuitions to make true power of your subconscious mind to lead you towards the right path and make decisions and align you to your true desires and goals. Let go of doubts, fear, and embrace the clarity that comes from letting your subconscious mind take its reins. Embrace the journey and self-discover and empowerment as you unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind, and this guiding your decisions to a better life, you know what I mean? So, shalom.